Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Namaste and good evening to friends, family, teachers and well-wishers joining us here in Bangalore and virtually from other cities. We, together with Guru Srimati Sumati Kanaka Sabapati of Tarana School of Dance, Kuala Lumpur, welcome you to this auspicious event, Gejje Puja or Selinga Puja in Tamil, of Kumari Ananya Sankhalapuram Godavati, who's our daughter. Before we start, few things to note. No food or drinks are allowed inside the hall except for water. Please be considerate of those sitting behind you when you're taking any pictures or videos. Phones to be kept on silent or vibration mode. For any urgent calls, you may step out to take it. Program should end by around 8:15 approximately. We will then proceed for dinner at the Woodrose Club, which is right across the road. We will help you to get there. And we'll make further announcements post the program. Thank you. Vishnu, you can take over.
Good evening, everyone. Thank you once again for being part of this special occasion of my niece, Ananya. So, in classic Indian traditional style, we begin the program for this evening seeking the blessings of Lord Ganesha with an invocation sung by Srimati Vasundhara.
Gajananayutam Ganeshwaram Gajananayutam Ganeshwaram Shri Gajananayutam Ganeshwaram Bhajami Satatam Bhajami Satatam Sureshwaram Shri Gajananayutam Ganeshwaram Bhajami Satatam Sureshwaram Shri Gajananayutam Ganeshwaram Ajendra Pujita Vigneshwaram Ajendra Pujita Vigneshwaram Ganani Sanuta Padapadmakaram Ajendra Pujita Vigneshwaram Ganani Sanuta Padapadmakaram Kunjara Bhanjana Chaturataram Guru Guhagrajam Pranavakaram Kunjara Bhanjana Chaturataram Guru Guhagrajam Pranavakaram Gajananayutam Ganeshwaram Bhajami Satatam Sureshwaram Shri Gajananayutam Ganeshwaram
Thank you, Vasundhara. I mean, indeed, a very melodious start to this program. I'm sure Lord Ganesha would have blessed us. I now invite Ananya's guru, Srimati Sumati, Ananya's grandparents and parents, of course, Vishwanath and Vasundhara, to please come forward for the symbolic lighting of the lamp. Deepam Jyoti Parabrahmam Deepena Sadhyate Sarvam Sandhya Deepam Namostute. Salutations to the lighted lamp, that which brings auspiciousness, positivity and blessings. Now, on to a short intro about Ananya's guru, Srimati Sumati. May I please invite Mrs. Vasundhara?
Yeah, sure. Guru Srimati Sumati Kanaka Sabapati, an ace Bharatanatyam performing artist turned teacher, started her training under Guru late Srimati Padma Raghavan at the tender age of 5. She continued her tutelage under late Nritya Samrat Guru Karukurichi Venkata Narayana in the Kala Mandalam and Varavur style. She also pursued Mohiniyattam under Guru Sri Shankar Ram and did her Arangetram in both the dance forms together at the age of 11 in Tenkasi, Tamil Nadu, India. I think she deserves an applause for this. She has performed in various temples and cultural events in India before embarking on the journey of being a Bharatanatyam teacher in 2018 with the birth of Tarana School of Dance in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. In a span of 6 years, Tarana School of Dance has grown and prides itself with close to 50 dynamic students, with 2 batches of students having completed Gejje or Selanga Puje. Close to about 10 students, right? Okay. Ananya being the 10th student. Okay. Srimati Sumati is a perfect example of someone with multiple artistic skill sets, including Carnatic music, playing the veena. She does beautiful paintings, Tanjavur, acrylic on canvas, mixed media, Rangoli art. Oh my God, the list goes on, right? Directing on-stage dance dramas, to mention a few. I've also been associated with some of her dance drama endeavors. She's currently learning Veena from Guru Srimati Vijayalakshmi Arumugam and Nattuvangam from Guru Kala Mandalam, Kartika Harikrishnan. Kudos to Srimati Sumati. She's found a way to balance her passion and interest in performing arts with her regular corporate job. And it would be worthwhile to mention the pillar of support and encouragement she has in her husband, Sri Kanaka Sabapati, who's joining us with their 2 sons virtually this evening from Kuala Lumpur. I think he deserves an applause as well. If she's come this far, definitely there has to be his support. I now invite Srimati Sumati to provide an insight on the significance of Gejje Puja or Selanga Puja for the benefit of the audience.
Apologies, my voice is a little bad today with the cold. And good evening and a heartfelt welcome to all the family members, friends, and well-wishers here today. Today's Salangai Puja is a very special occasion, not only for my Sishya, but also for me as her Guru. This moment signifies a milestone, a step deeper into the beautiful journey of Bharatanatyam. The salangai or the anklets are much more than an adornment. They represent rhythm, discipline, and the dancer's commitment to this art form. By wearing them today, Ananya is symbolically accepting the responsibility, dedication, and joy that comes with pursuing Bharatanatyam. It is a beautiful step forward, filled with the promise of growth and discovery. To remember that Bharatanatyam, it's a gift passed down through generations. As you wear your anklets today, carry that legacy with respect and humility. Dance is a way to express the inexpressible. It connects you with something beyond yourself. It requires not only skill, but a pure heart and a clear mind. I would also like to take a moment to thank the family, friends, and well-wishers gathered here today. Your unwavering support and encouragement are invaluable. It's your dedication to preserving and nurturing the culture that allows our students to flourish. Thank you for entrusting me in this role in your child's journey. As we begin today's ceremony, I invite everyone to join in this celebration with open hearts. Let us all bless Ananya as she takes this significant step and wish her a life enriched with the beauty and discipline of dance to reach the next milestone, which is the Arangetram. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am, for those beautiful and powerful words, for explaining the significance. So, in order to carry the legacy with respect and humility, let us begin with the Gejje Puja, with the custom now. As part of the Gejje Puja custom, first the disciple seeks the blessing from her elders, grandparents, parents, and subsequently offers Guru Dakshina to her Guru to seek her blessings. The Guru then ties the Gejja, or the Selengai in Tamil, onto the disciple's right leg. And followed by this, the disciple's parents tie the Gejja, or the Selengai, on her left leg. The disciple will then offer her namaskarams to all the elders and seek their blessings. So, may I invite parents, Srimati Sumati, Ananya, onto the stage to perform this custom. Ananya honoring her Guru, Srimati Sumati, along with Vasu and Vishnu.
Best for many more milestones, much more success.
Is being given by her Guru to Ananya, and this is officially she will start performing with the Selengai or Gejjas on her feet. She's very excited. You can see that. Wonderful to see those tiny little feet with those Gejjas. can't wait to watch your performance with those gidges.
Ananya will now do her namaskaram. Take blessings from the Lord of Dance, Nataraja. We now invite both the grandparents to come on stage for a photo. Both the grandparents to please come on stage for the photo.
Okay, thanks for your patience while we were doing all the formalities of this Gejja Puja. I hope you're all having a good evening. First of all, is the air conditioning too cold or is it okay? It's okay? Anyone needs it reduced? Anyone needs to change locations? Now is the time. All right. Anyone wants some water? Please help yourself. It's at the back. Now I'm going to do a little introduction of Ananya. Ananya means the unique one. Can you all hear me? Okay, on the stage, I'm told. All right. Ananya, the unique one. So around 10.5 years back, when we were deciding on a name for Ananya, it was actually between two different names. One was Ananya, of course. The other was Vedika. Vedika, Vedika. Now, both my name and Vasundhara's name starts with V, of course. So definitely the attraction was to go with the name Vedika. But somehow, when we looked at Ananya in her first few hours of her life, and as cliched as it may sound, it just felt like Ananya was going to be unique in her own way. It somehow felt like she was going to be living a life full of kindness in her heart. So naturally, we thought Ananya should be the name for her. And that's how we named her Ananya. Now, Vasundhara and I, we come from very divergent musical paths. Now, what I mean by that is Vasundhara is a trained classical musician right from the age of 5, for those of you who do not know. And she's full of passion for all kinds of fine arts, not just music. There's light music. She actually loves to be a dancer. She's always told me many times about her interest in being a dancer. But somehow, she's got very expressive eyes, and her facial expressions, they are quite subtle. Sometimes not so subtle when she looks at me, when I'm at the receiving end. But I still think, we all think she would have made for a very good classical dance artist. But for some reason, music has been her calling for all her life, and her sanctuary in the midst of life's many challenges. She takes solace in music during the tough times. We all go through tough times sometimes, right? But on the other hand, that was Vasundhara. About me, I have been content just being a listener of music all my life and all kinds of music. And I had no specific penchant or interest for classical music in any form. Anything that was melodious to my ears at that time of the day or night, whatever sounded right was what I fell in love with. So I've just been a listener and Rasika all my life. Now, the nuances of classical music never struck a chord with me. I've got to be honest, never did, until August 15th, 2010. Now, some of you may wonder, because that's the day when I got married to Vasundhara. Yeah, lost my independence, actually. That's what they all say, so I'd rather say it before they all say it. So anyway, so Ananya is blessed, I truly feel, from the bottom of my heart. Ananya has been blessed to have a dear mother that fills our home and Ananya's heart with divine classical music, right from the time in her womb. And that's true. Right from the time in her womb, Vasundhara has a habit of listening to all this classical music, and we feel like a lot of that has rubbed off onto Ananya as well, and that's how she's who she is right now. Now, over the past few years, we have seen Ananya's love for fine arts grow and sustain. And some of you know that she's not just into Bharatanatyam, she's also into Carnatic music. She plays the piano and she also sings light music, Tamil, Hindi, whatnot. But thank you very much. But what has become evident over time, and I can say that being a first-hand primary observer, we spend all our lives, every single hour, waking hour with Ananya. So what has become evident over time is her absolute, total, unconditional joy when she moves her hands and legs to the beat of a note. So it is as if her dance in the womb just continues long after she has taken her unique place in this world. And Bharatanatyam was Ananya's call, we believe, to formalize and fine-tune those uninhibited movements of the limbs into something divinely graceful. Now, these might seem like heavy words to all of you. Some of you must be thinking, what's all this? But this is what I felt when I was writing. I mean, I'm not able to just not look at the paper and speak, but this is how we really feel. And we are indeed fortunate to have discovered Srimati Guru Srimati Sumati in Kuala Lumpur. This was during the COVID times in 2020 when we moved to the condo where she was also based out of. And it was indeed a coincidence. We were fortunate to have discovered her. And that's when Ananya took her first baby steps into Bharatanatyam. And we discovered not just a teacher. It's easy to find a teacher, but a guru, I don't think you'll find them too often. But we discovered a guru in Srimati Sumati because she recognized her students' talent and she always made sure to carve aside some time to nurture the talent to the fullest potential. So this event we are doing today marks the culmination of Ananya's 4-year journey in Bharatanatyam and the beginning of her next phase towards Arangetram. We know in our hearts that Bharatanatyam will be a permanent facet of your life, Ananya, whether it is to connect with the divine or to express Hinduism's religious stories or to simply evoke emotion with you, the audience. With the blessings of her guru and all the elders, we wish Ananya the very best to continue to strive for excellence in this art form and with humility. Thank you. So now, without much further ado, we are actually going to start the main performance, the dance performance by Ananya. There is a series of 9 compositions that she's going to dance to. So we're going to start that in any moment. Okay, so our blossoming little dancer is excited and is waiting to take on the stage to dance for the first time with the ankle bells. Shall we begin?
Yes, indeed. She'll be performing the Todayam Pushpanjali, set in Gambhira Natya Ragam and Adi Talam, choreographed by her guru, Srimati Sumati.
It would be lovely if you can share a bit more information on this dance piece for the knowledge and appreciation of our audience.
Yeah, sure, of course. Pushpanjali is a summation of 2 words, Pushpa and Anjali. Pushpa means flower, not fire. Anjali means offering. So Todayam Pushpanjali is a ceremonial opening piece where the dancer offers an imaginary handful of flowers to the deity. As a mark of respect and devotion, symbolizing the start of the performance with purity and humility. It typically includes basic footwork and rhythmic movements, allowing the dancer to settle into the performance while inviting divine blessings. Todayam Pushpanjali also serves to honor the guru, the teacher that is, the stage and the audience, setting a reverent tone for the dance that follows. With a humble salutation and a warm welcome to all, we now move on to yet another Anjali, that is the Natarajar Anjali. This is a traditional gesture of salutation dedicated to Lord Nataraja, the cosmic dancer form of Shiva in Bharatanatyam. By offering Natarajar Anjali, the dancer invokes the blessings of Lord Nataraja for guidance, inspiration, and perfection in their performance.
So it signifies the dancer's deep connection to the divine source of dance, rhythm, and cosmic balance. The composition beautifully describes Lord Shiva, composed by Sekkirar Periya Puranam. It is in Tamil, set to Nattai Ragam and Adithalam.
Kunangu taka dittari kita taka tam tarita jam de kunangu taka dittari kita taka tam tarita jam de kunangu jay kunangu tadingina tam ulakalla unandodar kariyavan nilavulaviya nirmali veniyan உலகெல்லாம் உணர்ந்தோதற்கரியவன் நிலவுலவிய நீர்மலி வேணியல் அலகில் ஜோதியல் அம்பல தாடுவார் மலர்ச்சிலம்படி வாழ்த்தி வணங்குவோம் அலகில் ஜோதியல் அம்பல தாடுவார் மலர்ச்சிலம்படி வாழ்த்தி வணங்குவோம் உலகெல்லாம் உணர்ந்தோதற்கரியவன் நிலவுலவிய நீர்மலி வேணியல் அலகில் ஜோதியல் அம்பல தாடுவார் மலர்ச்சிலம்படி வாழ்த்தி வணங்குவோம் தோம் தோம் தரித ஜனுத திமிதக தோம் ஜனுத திம் தத்திம் தினுத தோம் தோம் தரித ஜனுத திமிதக தோம் ஜனுத திம் தத்திம் தினுத ததனனித ஜனுத லஜ்ஜம் தஜம் ததஜம் தன ஜனு திமிகிட திம் கிணத்தம் உலகெல்லாம் உணர்ந்தோதற்கரியவன்.
Bravo, Ananya. That was a very tiny obstacle that you just came over it. Very good. With a smile. Wasn't that a lovely offering at the lotus feet of the Lord of Dance? Let me share a tiny bit of trivia, Vishwanath. Do you know the composer of this song? By the way, you got the pronunciation wrong. It's Sekkirar.
Sekkirar.
That's right.
good,
He was a poet and chief minister in the Chola kingdom in the 12th century and a staunch devotee of Nataraja in Chidambaram. The king invited Sekkirar to expound the lives of the Shaiva saints in a great poem. He wrote the poem in the 1,000-pillared hall of the Chidambaram temple. Legend has it that Shiva himself provided Sekkirar with the first feet of the first verse as a divine voice from the sky declaring Ulagelam, meaning all the world.
Okay, Sekkirar, correct?
That's right.
Anyways, learned more about the background behind this song. Thank you. So, should we move ahead to the next dance piece? It's called Alarippe. Is that pronunciation right, by the way?
That's right.
Yes, got it. I know a little bit about Alarippe. In Tamil, it means blossoming or flowering. Alarippe represents the dancer's awakening and preparation as they gradually open up, both physically and spiritually.
That's absolutely right. Also, Alarippe focuses on pure dance, combining rhythm, head, neck, and eye movements, as well as coordinated body postures to create a harmonious flow. Danced without any lyrical interpretation, Alarippe is traditionally performed in various rhythmic cycles, symbolizing the dancer's dedication to precision, energy, and art itself, setting the tone for the items that follow. Ananya will be dancing to Tishra Alaripu in a Natya Ragam set to Tishram Talam.
Ta pei te yum ta tam kita ta ka ta pei te yum ta tam kita ta ka tam te tam kita ta ka te ta pei kita ta ka tam te tam kita ta ka te ta pei kita ta ka tam te ta pei ta pei tam te ta pei ta pei tam te ta pei ta pei tam thích ta phi thích phi tổng thích ta đi ta đi 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 tổng thích tổng cái ta ta cái đi ta phi cái ta ta cái tổng thích tổng cái ta ta cái đi ta phi cái ta ta cái tổng ta tỷ tất tỷ tổng tất ta tỷ tất tỷ tổng tất ta tỷ tất tỷ tổng tất ta tỷ tất tỷ tổng thế 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 ta tỷ ta 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 tỷ tổng thế tổng cái ta cái tỷ ta tỷ cái ta cái tổng thế tổng cái ta cái tỷ ta tỷ cái ta cái tổng thế ta tỷ ta tỷ tổng thế ta tỷ ta tỷ tổng đất ta phỉ đất 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 tỷ ta cái chấm cái ta chấm cái check cái tỷ ta tình hình nó tùng tạc ta tình hình nó tùng tạc tích của cả những cái đã tùng tòng
I did enjoy this very much, and I think the audience did too. It's like how the legendary dancer T. Balasaraswati said, Alaripu brings out a special charm of pure dance. And not just that, this also requires a lot of concentration.
Yes, that's absolutely right. Rhythm invokes concentration. Up next is a vibrant dance piece dedicated to the deity of wisdom and new beginnings. We all know who that is. This piece is performed at the start of a Bharatanatyam recital, invoking his blessings for a smooth and auspicious performance. I think no more technical glitches after this performance, after this composition. Lord Ganesha, we need him.
Well, I think this is the Ganesha Kautuvam, composed by Tanjavur Quartet in Tamil language, set in Gambhira Natya Ragam and Aditalam. It combines rhythmic syllables, jatis, and expressive gestures, mudras, to narrate the attributes and deeds of Lord Ganesha, celebrating his strength, wisdom, and compassion. Dancers express devotion through graceful movements, capturing the joyous and benevolent spirit of Lord Ganesha.
தி தி தை தாம் தி தி தை தி தி தை தாம் தி தி தை த தகு தகு தாம் த குத்த கிட்ட கிண்ண தொங்க தக்குத்தா தொங்க தல்குகு 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 தீத குத்த கிட்ட கிண்ண தொங்க தக்குதா தொங்க தத்தகு தத்தகு தாம் தத்த குத்த கிட்ட கிண்ண தொங்க தக்குதா தொங்க தல்குகு 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 தீத குத்த கிட்ட கிண்ண தொங்க தக்குதா தொங்க தாங்கி தங்கி கிடத்தக திக்குத்தாம் திரைகுடு தொங்க திக்குந்தாரி திக்கிட கிடத்தக திக்குத்தொங்க தாங்கி தங்கி கிடத்தக திக்குத்தாம் திரைகுடு தொங்க திக்குந்தாரி திக்கிட கிடத்தக திக்குத்தொங்க ஹரி திரு மருகனை விக்ன விநாயக வினை கெட அருளிய கணபதி ஜெய ஜெய ஹரி திரு மருகனை விக்ன விநாயக வினை கெட அருளிய கணபதி ஜெய ஜெய ஹரி திரு மருகனை விக்ன விநாயக வினை கெட அருளிய கணபதி ஜெய ஜெய திக்கிட உதர தட கேணவுதே கிட உதர தட ஜெய ஜெய திக்கிட உதர தட கேணவுதே கிட உதர தட ஜெய ஜெய ததி கை துதி கை யானை முகத்தவன் தொங்கிட கிடத்தக்க திக்கு தொங்க தேவர்கள் கணபதி திக்கிட கிடத்தக்க திக்கி தொங்க கணபதி கௌத்துவம் கற்றவர் வினய உக்குடுதாம் உக்கிடுதை ததி கை தூதி கை யானை முகத்தவன் தொங்கிட கிடத்தக திக்கு தொங்க தேவர்கள் கணபதி திக்கிட கிடத்தக திக்கி தொங்க கணபதி கௌத்துவம் கற்றவர் வினய உக்குடுதாம் உக்குடுதை ததி கை தூதி கை யானை முகத்தவன் தொங்கிட கிடத்தக திக்கு தொங்க தேவர்கள் கணபதி திக்கிட கிடத்தக திக்கி தொங்க கணபதி கௌத்துவம் கற்றவர் வினய உக்குடுதா உக்கிடுதை தகுதி குத கீட தொங்கிட கிடத்தகிடம் தந்தி கிடத்தகதி கூத்தாம் தத தாம் தத
I heard lovely there. I too just enjoyed this piece as I could visualize Lord Ganesha, especially the big ears, and was flowing with the dancer. By the way, Vishwanath, do you know the composer Tanjavur Quartet? They were four brothers, Chinnaya, Punnaya, Shivanandam, and Vadivelu, who lived during the early 19th century and contributed to the development of Bharatanatyam and Carnatic music. They excelled in the art of Bharatanatyam, like Tyagaraja Swami sang beautifully, Endaro Mahanubhavalu Andariki Vandanamu.
Indeed, Vasundhara, salutations to all the greats and their contributions to our culturally rich performing arts. Is our dancer ready for her next piece?
Yes, yes. She's waiting to do her next piece because she loves this composition. She will now be paying obeisance to the god of valor and youth, called fondly as Vetrivel Muruga in South India. Kartikeya, most of us know that.
Oh, this must be Muttaithare. Is that right?
That's right.
Composed by the saint poet Arunagirinathar, Arunagiri, as a tribute to Lord Muruga, that is Kartikeya. Ananya also shared with me, didn't you, Ananya, that Muttaithare was composed by saint poet Arunagirinathar when he was miraculously saved from committing suicide by Lord Muruga himself, who was disguised as a pious young man. Lord Muruga showed him the path of religious devotion and initiated his composition of the Tiruppugal, an anthology of songs dedicated to Murugan in Tamil language.
That's right. Ananya will be presenting this iconic song from the Tiruppugal, Muttai Tarupatti Tirunagai, today, which is a heartfelt plea to Lord Muruga, asking him to bestow blessings, protection, and guidance. It's a popular Bharatanatyam dance piece where the dancers express the various forms and qualities of Muruga, including his courage, compassion, and beauty through intricate expressions or abhinaya and graceful movements. Set in beautiful Shanmuga Priya Ragam and Mishra Chaputalam, this piece is often performed with devotion and intensity, celebrating Muruga's divine presence and the power of faith.
முத்தைத் தருபத்தித் திருநகையத்திக் கிரிஜொத்திச் சரவணமுத்திக் குருவித்துக் குருபர என ஓதும் முக்கட்பரமக்குச் சுருதியின் முற்பட்டது கற்பித்திருவரும் முப்பத்து முவத்தத் தமரரும் அடிபேண பத்துத் தலை தத்தக் கணைதொடு ஒற்றைக் கிரிமத்தைப் பொருதொரு பட்டப் பகல் வட்டத் திகிரியில் இரவாக பத்தற்கிரதத்தைக் கடவிய பச்சைப் புயல் மெச்சத் தகு பொருள் பட்சத்தொடு ரட்சித் தருள்வதும் ஒரு நாளே முத்தைத் தருபத்தித் திருநகையத்திக் கிரிசத்திச் சரவண முத்திக் குருவித்துக் குருபர என ஓதும் முக்கட்பரமற்குச் சுருதியின் முற்பட்டது கற்பித்திருவரும் முப்பத்து முவர்க்கத் தமரரும் அடிபேண பத்துத் தலை தத்தக் கணைதொடு ஒற்றைக் கிரிமத்தைப் பொருதொரு பட்டப் பகல் வட்டத் திகிரியில் இரவாக பத்தற்கிரதத்தைக் கடவிய பச்சைப் புயல் மெச்சத் தகு பொருள் பட்சத்தொடு ரட்சித் தருள்வதும் ஒரு நாளே தித்தித்தைய ஒத்த பரிபுர நிற்கப் பதம் வைத்து பைரவி திக்கொட்க நடிக்கக் கழுகொடு கழுதாட திக்குப் பரியாட்டப் பைரவ தொக்குத் தொகு தொக்குத் தொகு தொகு சித்திரப் பவுரி குத்திரிகடக என ஓத கொத்துப் பறை கொட்டக் களமிசை குக்கு குகு குக்கு குகு குகு குத்திப் புதை புக்குப் பிடி என முழுகூகை பொற்புற்றிட நட்பற்ற உணரை வெட்டிப் பலியிட்டு குலகிரி குத்துப்பட ஒத்துப் பொறவல பெருமாளே வித்தித்தைய ஒத்த பரிபுர நிறுத்தப் பதம் வைத்து பைரவி திக்கொட்க நடிக்கக் கழுகொடு கழுதாட திக்குப் பரியாட்டப் பைரவ தொக்குத் தொகு தொக்குத் தொகு தொகு சித்திரப் பவுரி குத்திரிகடக என ஓத கொத்துப் பறை கொட்டக் களமிசை குக்கு குகு குக்கு குகு குகு குத்திப் புதை புக்குப் பிடி என முதுகூகை பொற்புற்றழ நட்பற்ற உணரை வெட்டிப் பலியிட்டு குலகிரி குத்துப்பட ஒத்துப் பொறவல பெருமாளே குலகிரி குத்துப்பட ஒத்துப் பொறவல பெருமாளே பத்தற்கிரதத்தைக் கடவிய பச்சைப் புயல் மெச்சத் தகு பொருள் பட்சத்தொடு ரட்சித் தருள்வதும் ஒரு நாளே
I think we have an audience here who can appreciate this, so they must have enjoyed it a lot more. Those of us who even don't know the language or Tamil or can't appreciate the meaning, the lyrical beauty, we still enjoy this. It just brings to life Lord Muruga, especially having lived in Malaysia for 12 years. The Batu Caves Muruga just comes to life for me when I listen to this composition and watch her dance.
Yeah, very well said. That's the power of beautiful compositions, music and dance, language. There's no language barriers. And I think we felt that, we all of us felt that with this composition especially. They just touch our soul.
Indeed, indeed. So, Ananya, are you okay to go to the next song? Yeah, okay. So, without further ado, I think she's more energized. Without further ado, let's now move on to the next dance piece, which is dedicated to Goddess Meenakshi Devi, the warrior queen and consort of Lord Shiva, worshipped at the famous Meenakshi temple in Madurai. The song praises her beauty, strength, and compassion, portraying her as both a fierce protector and a loving mother. This composition, set in Abhogi Ragam and Aditalam, composed by K.N. Dandayudapani Pillai, is often performed with deep reverence, inviting the blessings of Devi.
Yes, there's at least a few more songs. But Vasundhara Gurtunda, back in March 2022, Manam Madurai Kanta. Oh, sorry, English. Okay.
Sorry.
This, this
Thinking what happened.
this song and dance took me back to back in time when Vasundhara, myself, Ananya, we all visited Madurai Meenakshi Temple in 2022. Beautiful memories of the Divine Temple, its architecture, of course, the grandeur, and the goddess herself. How many more dance pieces do we have, just for the sake of the audience?
We have 3 more.
3 more, okay. Tell me something. When we talk about Bharatnatyam or dance in general, we think of Nataraja, right?
That's right.
But there is also Krishna, much known for his Rasalila and dancing, singing with all the playful antics with the Gopikas, right?
Absolutely, absolutely. You got that right. So the next couple of pieces are a tribute to him, Lord Krishna, our Krishna. The upcoming piece is called Shabdam. Shabdam is a semi-narrative piece in Bharatanatyam that uses both rhythmic syllables and meaningful lyrics to convey a story or devotion to a deity. It is an item wherein the abhinaya or expressions are introduced for the first time in a recital. This Shabdam that Ananya would be doing is on Lord Krishna. It is a powerful piece that combines nrita, that is pure dance, and abhinaya to bring to life the energy of Lord Krishna. It is a Telugu composition composed by Shemmanar Koil Shanmugam in a Ragamalika set to Mishra Chapu Talam. The first stanza elaborates a scene where the Gopikas are bathing and Krishna is playing mischief. It goes like a little bit like this. Sarasi jakshulu jalakamade means lotus-eyed girls while taking bath. Tarunamuna neevu achatiki jani. Exactly at that time you come. Jariga chiralu means silk beautiful saris. Mella chekuni, slowly stealing them. Taruva nekuka, climbing on the tree. Chochu chundute, watching us like this. Dharmama, is this right, Krishna? Soak and sway in this Shabdam on Krishna.
Tataya te ta 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 te ta 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 tataya te ta 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 dana dana ta jonu jonu dini ta dana dana kina ta dimi dimi kina ta te ta 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 sarasi jakshulu jalakamade tarunamunani vatsatiki jani sariga chiralu allachekuni taruvune kita jusuduta dharmama sarasi jakshulu jalakamade tarunanunani vatsatiki jani sariga chiralu allachekuni taruvune kita jusuduta dharmama jusuduta dharmama వత్సటికి జని సరిగచీరలు అల్లచేకొని తరుమునే గిట చూచుచుండుట ధర్మమా ఇటు చూచుచుండుట ధర్మమా ఇటు చూచుచుండుట ధర్మమా తదణ దందణ తజొను జోడిని తదణ దణగిన తదిమి దివికిట పుటి వీరను పెట్టియుండే చటి పాలుని అట్లగనుకొని కొట్టి చేతుల పట్టి తాగిన గట్టిదన నిదిగాదయ్యా పుట్టి వీరను పెట్టియుంటే చట్టి పాలుని అట్లగనుకొని కొట్టి చేతుల పట్టి తాగిన గట్టిదన నిదిగాదయ్యా పుట్టి వీరను పెట్టియుండే చట్టి పాలుని అట్లగనుకొని కొట్టి చేతుల పట్టి తాగిన గట్టిదన నిదిగాదయ్యా గట్టిదన నిదిగాదయ్యా గట్టిదన నిదిగాదయ్యా తదణ దందణ తజొడు జొడు దివి తదణ దణకిన అల్లలక్ష్మి వల్లపుడవై కొల్లియలరే పల్లలో బల కొల్లబామల కూడిది చెల్లుని గిరి చెల్లున అల్లలక్ష్మి వల్లపుడవై కొల్లియలరే పల్లలో బల కొల్లబామల కూడిది చెల్లుని గిరి చెల్లున అల్లలక్ష్మి వల్లపుడవై తొల్లియలరే పల్లనోబల కొల్లబామల కూడిది చెల్లుని గిరి చెల్లున చెల్లుని గిరి చెల్లున తదణ దల్దణ తజొడు జోడు దిమిద తోందణగిన తదిమి దివికిట ఇలను నిలుమతి దలచి చూడగ నలుగురను నిను నగుతురను సును లలిత మలయాళ మునదాగిన బళిబలిర శ్రీ పద్మనాభ నమోస్తుతే ఇలను నిలుమతి దలచి చూడగ నలుగురను నిను నగుతురను సును లలిత మలయాళ మునదాగిన బళిబలిర శ్రీ పద్మనాభ నమోస్తుతే శ్రీ పద్మనాభ నమోస్తుతే శ్రీ పద్మనాభ నమోస్తుతే శ్రీ పద్మనాభ నమోస్తుతే శ్రీ పద్మనాభ నమోస్తుతే
I definitely need to introduce her. She's my school teacher. She's my school teacher, Chitra ma'am. I'm so glad she's made it. Jyoti ma'am is also here. Okay, okay, wonderful, wonderful. Thank you, thank you. It means a lot. My school teacher's blessings for my daughter. It really, really is a very, very, very special moment for me. Thank you.
This was indeed a really heartwarming and entertaining performance. I mean, I was a little teary-eyed myself. I don't get too emotional, but I was looking around the room to see if I had company, and I noticed the
Amama?
Huh?
Amama?
No, Amma and the auntie behind her. Yes, the doll mommy we call her.
Doll
right?
mommy?
Yes, doll mommy.
Kalyani
yeah.
Mami, yes. Kalyani Mami is also a very special guest. She holds Guinness records for, she makes handmade dolls. So I'm so glad she's here.
No.
Vanga. Just a little break for Ananya also, yeah. Yeah. Oh my God. Is that a doll you've made? Come, Ananya. Thank you, thank you. Oh my God, that's what my dad keeps saying. Thank you, thank you. Indeed, indeed. She's a very good friend and thank you, thank you.
Very
you.
kind of
Thank
you.
you.
Thank
It
you
means
so
a
much.
lot. Yeah.
Thanks for gracing this occasion.
We have
as
not
well.
done yet, so you still have some
Yes.
time to enjoy.
Thank you. There are 2 more compositions, so please stay back.
Yes.
Yes, absolutely.
Yeah.
Yes. Thank you. Thank you
you.
very much. So this song that Ananya just danced to, this was a beautiful effort in visual projection of the lyrics. As you could see, the expressions, it was out there for you to, for those of you who actually understand the language as well. You could see, you could make the connection between the expressions and the lyrics. This really brought to life Krishna's own delightful persona through graceful movements, mudras, and abhinaya. Now we move on to another iconic composition. Anybody wants to guess?
It's on Krishna. How there's so many beautiful compositions. Oh,
No, not that. Tirada Velayattu Pillai. Written by Mahakavi Subramanya Bharati. This song celebrates the playful and mischievous nature of Lord Krishna, whose charm captivates everyone around him. So in this piece, just a little background, we see Krishna as the mischievous child stealing the hearts of the gopis with his enchanting flute and irresistible smile. The lyrics speak of his carefree ways and divine playfulness, inviting the dancer to express his flirtation, charm, and divine love. Through graceful Bharatnatyam movements, mudras and abhinaya, the dancer will bring to life Krishna's delightful persona.
yes. This gem amongst the gems has such an extraordinary appeal. For one, we all love stories about the mischievous and quite irresistible Lord Krishna, don't we? And then there is the poet's expertise in choosing words which resonate so deeply with the audience. His antics with the gopis in Vrindavan are depicted with great joy and devotion in this composition. This song in a Ragamalika set to Adi Talam brims one's heart with happiness and joy. Let's begin.
விளையாட்டு பிள்ளை கண்ணன் தெருவிலே பெண்களுக்கு போயாத தொல்லை தீராத விளையாட்டு பிள்ளை கண்ணன் தெருவிலே பெண்களுக்கு போயாத தொல்லை தீராத விளையாட்டு பிள்ளை தின்னப்பழம் கொண்டு தருவான் தின்னப்பழம் கொண்டு தருவான் பாதி தின்கின்ற போதிலே தட்டி பறைப்பான் என்னப்பன் என்னை எனப்பான் என்னப்பன் என்னை எனப்பான் அதனை எச்சப்படுத்தி கடித்து கொடுப்பான் தீராத விளையாட்டு பிள்ளை மலர் கொண்டு வந்தே கண்ணன் அழகுள்ள மலர் கொண்டு வந்தே என்னை அழகழ செய்த பின் கண்ணை மூடிக்குள் குழலிலே சூட்டுவேன் குழலிலே சூட்டுவேன் என்னை குருடாக்கி மலரினை தோழிக்கு வைப்பார் தீராத விளையாட்டு பிள்ளை விளையாட்டு பிள்ளை விளையாட்டு பிள்ளை பின்னலை பின்னின்றெழுப்பான் கண்ணன் பின்னலை பின்னின்றெழுப்பான் தலை பின்னே திரும்பும் முன்னே சென்று மறைவார் வண்ண புது சேலை தனிலே வண்ண புது சேலை தனிலே புழுதி வாரி சொரிந்தே வருத்தி குலைபார் தீராத விளையாட்டு பிள்ளை விளையாட்டு பிள்ளை விளையாட்டு பிள்ளை புல்லாங்குழல் கொண்டு வருவான் கண்ணன் புல்லாங்குழல் கொண்டு வருவான் அமுது பொங்கேத்ததும் புனர்கீதம் படிப்பான் புல்லாங்குழல் கொண்டு வருவான் புல்லாங்குழல் கொண்டு வருவான் கண்ணன் புல்லாங்குழல் கொண்டு வருவான் அமுது பொங்கேத்ததும் புனர்கீதம் படிப்பான் கள்ளால் மயங்குவது போலே கள்ளால் மயங்குவது போலே அதை கண்மூடி வாய் திறந்தே கேட்டிருப்போம் தீராத விளையாட்டு பிள்ளை கண்ணன் தெருவிலே பெண்களை கோயாத தொல்லை தீராத விளையாட்டு பிள்ளை விளையாட்டு பிள்ளை விளையாட்டு பிள்ளை
That was really heartwarming and full of joy, I must say. Just a bit about the composer, poet, for those who are unaware. Subramanya Bharati, also known as Mahakavi Bharati, was a legendary Tamil poet, freedom fighter, and a social reformer. His works are deeply rooted in nationalism, spirituality, and social justice. Bharati's poetic expressions are also known for their bold themes, vibrant language, and emotional depth, often reflecting devotion, love, and patriotism. I think we have come to the concluding piece of this evening, haven't we?
Yes. We started with a tribute to Lord Nataraja with the Natarajar Anjali, and we close it too with a tribute to the Lord of Dance with Natesha Kautvam. My personal favorite, Natesha Kautvam. And Ananya just loves it. She must be waiting to dance this one, right? It describes Lord Shiva, the Lord of Dance, as one who is worshipped by the rishis of Tadavana, that's a dense forest, the demons and gods alike. It praises Lord Shiva as one who rides the Nandi and one who loves dance and music. A composition of the Tanjore Quartet, Natesha Kautvam has a combination of nrita, footwork, and abhinaya in its choreography. It is in Hamsadhwani Ragam and Chaturashra Ekatalam. All the dance pieces so far that Ananya has performed has been choreographed by her guru Srimati Sumati. Natesha Kautvam is originally choreographed by Srimati Rukmini Vijayakumar, who's quite famous, I think most of us would know her, and has been modified by Srimati Sumati.
Kita kita taka tari kita taka शङ्कर तुं किट किट तक तुं नं किट तक त्रिशूलधर
नन्दिवाहन नादयोगप्रिय चकडं किटतक चकडं किटतक चकदिगु तत्तकत्रै
नन्दिवाहन नादयोगप्रिय जगणं किटतक तकदिगु तत्तकदै जय 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 शशि रविभूषित रूपभयङ्कर डमरुदहस्त जग जग जय जय शशि रविभूषित रूपभयङ्कर डमरुदहस्त तृतीय सहस्रदीक्षितनाथ नटेश कौत्वं तगदगदां दिगि दिगि दै तत्कुदीकुदकीट तुं किड किड तगडं तगदगदां दिगि दिगि दै तत्कुदीकुदकीट तुं किड किड तगडं तगदगदां दिगि दिगि दै तत्कुदीकुदकीट तुं किड किड तगडं तङ्गि किड तगदि कुदां तततां कर्पूरगौरं करुणावतारम् संसारसारं भुजगेन्द्रहारम् सदा वसन्तं हृदयारविन्दे भवं भवानी सहितं नमामि
That was extremely goosebumpy for me. It was. I just wanted to be transported to Chidambaram and just be there. It was beautiful and an inspiring tribute to Lord Shiva through a skillful combination of nritya and abhinaya. The rhythm and melody came together to create an exhilarating atmosphere, a fitting finale to our dance performances of today. So that was the concluding piece. Now we would request Srimati Sumati to come and present a certificate to Kumari Ananya in appreciation of achieving this milestone in her Bharatanatyam journey. Yeah. Guru Sishya are twinning, same color combinations. Oh, you understood, Sumi? Yeah. Sumi has worked in Infosys, right? She was here in Bangalore for how many years? 2 years.
That was 15 years back.
Yeah. So she's come back to Bangalore after 15 years because of Ananya. And she's gotten to meet a lot of her good old friends here, which also includes us, right? So without any further ado, I would now invite Vishwanath for the vote of thanks. I think we've been quite on track with time, so yeah.
So who would want to see one more piece, dance piece? Anybody? Would you like to watch me dance? All right. So I guess a lot of hungry tummies there. I will deliver a small word of thanks. First of all, a big, from the bottom of the heart, thanks to Srimati Sumati for all your love, for all your affection, and all the time that you have given Ananya over these last 4 years. Since our relocation to Bangalore, which was around 6 months back, earlier this year, Srimati Sumati has made special efforts to train Ananya virtually from Kuala Lumpur, despite all the time differences and her tight schedules. And she is also obliged to be in India, in Bangalore right now physically to conduct this event, despite some unforeseen and sudden personal circumstances as well. So we thank you very much. And Ananya, we feel is truly blessed to have a guru like yourself. And of course, thanks to all of our family members and friends for their love, support, and encouragement in Ananya's Bharatnatyam journey till date. To all those watching this event virtually, I can see you, in Kuala Lumpur, in Miami, in Chennai, and elsewhere. Your physical presence is, of course, missed, but we thank you for gracing this occasion from afar. And finally, thank you to our makeup artist. Show of hands, makeup artist. Okay, I think he's gone for the day. Yeah. And our photographer, videographer, the team. And also the venue, the wonderful venue facility manager, and also his team for their support in making this event a success. So thank you once again. Thanks, everyone. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, all of you, all the elders, all the friends.
I will. Yes, I will. Thank you. Thank you, Kranti. Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah, anyone who wants to take pictures very quickly with Ananya, yeah, you're welcome to come, and then we can proceed to dinner, probably 5-10 minutes.
Yeah.
You can just, we'll help you to cross over.
So while you're all wrapping up, the dinner is going to be served, like I said earlier, for those who have come a little bit later. It's going to be at the Woodrose across the road, the Woodrose Club on the first floor. Beautifully done. Beautifully done, Ananya. Beautifully done. So it's not easy to cross the road for some of the elders, so you will be escorted to the facility, all of you.